Brittany, as I stand here today looking at the most beautiful woman, I cannot help but reflect on how wonderful you've made my life. It's hard to believe it's been 10 years since we stood in front of family and friends to commit ourselves to one another. A boy from South Louisiana and a girl from Boston, two young people who had slim chance of meeting. I still remember that snowy night in Boston, the first time I saw you. Time seemed to slow down, and I knew you were special. Through the last decade, I've seen firsthand your strength and steadiness through both the calm and the storm. You carry yourself with grace and are wise beyond your years. You make me laugh and smile like no one else, and I love your smile. As we look to the next 10 years, I'm grateful to share this wonderful adventure of life together with you. You have brought so much joy to my world, and you are the heart and soul of our family. With you by my side, I know we can accomplish anything. I promise to continue to choose you every day, to listen and learn with you, to work together, to make our marriage strong and our home a place of peace. You're the love of my life, and I love you now more than I did 10 years ago, but not more than I will. Thank you for loving me so well and being the woman of my dreams. I will cherish this moment and all we experience together until my last breath. You have and always will be the only one for me. I love you.
If I can be totally honest, the moment you introduced yourself to me that cold January night at church, I knew you were my person. Something deep in my soul sparked, and I knew that I had found my match. Finding you is a miracle. And being yours is a daily reminder of how much God must love me. From our first conversation, I felt safe with you. And that's been consistent over the last 10 years. Safety and love is something that I longed for, and it's perhaps what I cherish most about our relationship. Thank you for protecting me physically, emotionally, and spiritually. It's been a wild 10 years, to say the least, and I can't imagine doing life with anyone else. As we look forward now, I vow to love you with tenacity, with grit, and with stamina. Nothing we've yet to encounter has swayed our connection, and I vow to work daily to keep it that way. I promise to serve you and our family with a joyful heart, even when I don't feel like it. I promise to cheer you on through the high highs and low lows. You will never have to wonder whose team I'm on. I'm forever Team Phillips. I promise to let you lead, trusting that your intuition is guided by God. I promise to respect you and honor you every day. I promise to keep that fire burning, baby, no matter the season. You're my guy, always and forever. I promise to love and serve God first and foremost, knowing that I can't even begin to love you and Bo without first loving Christ. By your side is where I belong. By your side is where I feel at home. Wherever we go, I will always carry your heart. I carry it in my heart.